so excited. Alright, gang. As you can see, we got the hitch attached. Shout out to the U-Haul. We about to get this thing packed up. Ow! About to start already. You ready to go, Buddha? Is you ready? He's out of here. We packed that. That's in the cut. You okay, Maxine? I know. That's about to be a long road trip.
Dude, come on, bro. I feel the Holy Spirit take me out my body, trying to save all of my brothers from the streets and take them out.
Yeah, show them how to lead. Swear these boys would starve without me. Show them how to eat. I'ma kill it 3 times. Rest in peace. Cook it up again and it's that.
No, not for no angels, though. Thank God for the grace of God, he ain't here to save my soul. Pay attention, don't just listen, better take some notes. Tear us apart. You got a piece of my heart that belongs to you, girl. And I can't let you hurt too much. And I won't let you go. I can't let you hurt too much.
Space, can't you? Trying to fucking field of cows, bro. These motherfucking cows. These fucking cows. These damn cows. There's the buggies. My first buggies experience. My new town, my new hometown, my new home was actually really great. The coffee was 10 out of 10. It wasn't too crowded like it typically is. Let me not forget to put this in my car. I'm like infamous for leaving my coffee on top of my car when I do that. Hi, Maxine. What are you doing? Back up, Buddha. So as you've seen, I got me a nice medium coffee, and I pretty much made myself a little caramel macchiato type of situation, a caramel macchiato type of situation. Got me some tots. Excited about that. They're nice and crispy, warm, and I got me a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. We're gonna try these out a little bit before I hop on the road. Just say a quick prayer. Oh, God, it's good. Try some of these tots. Beaver tots. Pretty good. Butter, you want one? Okay. I'll break you off a little something. Actually smell pretty good, huh? Try some of that. It should be scary. Because we're in the car. Okay. These are good. Golden, crispy, fluffy, delish. Okay. In the meantime, at the same time, we're gonna put that up. And we're gonna try a couple bites of bacon, egg, and cheese. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of how their eggs look. So, hopefully, they don't throw me off too bad. I don't even really like restaurant eggs. Hey, Buddha. So I might start making them, not making them, but asking them if they could make mine without egg, like fresh. Yeah, and I probably will. I wonder if they offer like an egg white. If they did that, then maybe that might work for me, but I don't like yellow eggs from restaurants on breakfast sandwiches or restaurant eggs in general, because they be putting like milk and other stuff in it. Or like, I don't know, powdered eggs. But the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, I knew I should have just got a sausage and cheese biscuit. I would say maybe like a 6 out of 10. The bacon is thin and scarce. Where's the bacon? Well done. It just tastes real doughy in the middle. Eggs. I don't know about that. Maybe a 4 out of 10. Because I'm not gonna finish that. That's gross for me. But the tots and the coffee, 10 out of 10. Just gonna have to revisit that breakfast sandwich. Back to our journey. We are 30 minutes from the apartment. I'm about to get moved in. Excuse me. Alright, Buddha, I need you to come back up here because I need you up here while I'm driving at least. Alright, let's get going.
Decreasing myself and not making them high. Jesus King is the one I admire. Ain't never lied, I've been the same, my God ain't never changing.